In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove LinkedIn on Gmail. Let's begin by heading over to LinkedIn. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to LinkedIn.com. Once you're there, if you're not already logged in, you should sign in. You can do this by using your Google account, Microsoft account, or simply your email address and password. Whichever method you usually prefer. Now, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn may ask you to verify your identity with a code sent to your phone. So make sure you have access to your phone and enter the code when prompted. This step is crucial not only for accessing your LinkedIn account but also for ensuring your account security. Now that you're logged in, let's talk about how you can remove LinkedIn from Google searches or unlink it from Gmail. Essentially, you have two primary options. You can either remove your LinkedIn email address from your LinkedIn profile, which might reduce its visibility in Google searches. Or you can opt to close your LinkedIn account entirely. It's essential to note that if you choose to close your account, you'll permanently lose access to your LinkedIn profile and connections. So consider this decision carefully. If you prefer to make adjustments to your account settings, rather than closing it, look towards the top right corner of the page. Click on your profile picture, which will bring up a drop-down menu. From this menu, select View Profile. This will direct you to your LinkedIn profile page. Once you're there, go to Settings and Privacy to ensure you're in the right place to make the necessary changes. Navigate over to the Sign In and Security section and find the Email Addresses option under Account Access. Click on this option and you'll see a list of your associated emails. If Terry's an email you want to remove, click the Remove button right next to it. Now, if you've decided to close your account, return to the navigation area and look for Account Management, which you'll find under Account Preferences. Here, you'll see an option named Close Account. Click Change next to this. To confirm your intent, enter your password and then click Close Account. And there you have it. A straightforward way to manage how LinkedIn fits into your online presence, making your browsing experience more tailored to your preferences. If you have any questions or need further guidance, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below. Thank you for joining me today. And I hope this walkthrough has been helpful for your needs.